Good evening student, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the final expression which we got from the previous class. So here the Wmax formula or differential of work. So the maximum work is, it is the expression for the maximum work of an open system which exchanges heat only with the surrounding at T0 and P0. What is T0? T0 is the surrounding temperature and P0 is the surrounding pressure. So we will see today the reversible work in an open system. So to be the open, so to be a open system or a flow process be reversible, we have to do the process steady, and we know the condition of steady flow process is dm1 is equal to dm2, which is equal to dm. Okay, now if dm1, suppose dm1 is 5 kg per second and dm2 also is 5 kg per second. Now the mass or energy which is stored inside the control volume has become 0. So this term becomes 0. See here, when d minus d or d u minus t naught s plus mv square divided by 2 plus mgz becomes 0. Okay, then the expression becomes, the final expression becomes dw max is equal to, I am writing, we all know that dm1 is equal to dm2, then we are taking common dm, has become dm h1 minus t naught s1 plus v1 square by 2 plus gz1 minus of h2 minus t naught s2 plus v2 square by 2 plus gz2 bracket close. Okay, now we all know that dm1 is equal to dm2, then we are taking common dm as a whole, so we are getting this equation. Now if we take the integral form of this equation, then this equation becomes w max, and we are multiplying mass inside it, then we are getting h1 capital H1 minus t naught capital S1 plus we are multiplying m1, I mean mass throughout, then this become mv1 square by 2 plus mgz1 minus of h2 minus t naught s2 plus mv2 square divided by 2 plus mgz2 mz2. Clear? Okay, now this bracket. So here this term h minus t naught s is called Keenan function. Okay, and this is denoted by B. Now this equation becomes W max is equal to D1 plus MV1 square by 2 plus MgZ1. Okay, minus of B2 plus MV2 square by 2 plus MgZ2. Clear? That is the maximum work if we denote h minus t naught s as a Keenan function B. So this whole, sometimes this whole is denoted by another function which we are calling availability function. This is phi1 and this become psi1 and psi2. Okay, psi1 it is psi, so psi1 minus psi2. Clear? So see here next. Now what is this psi1 and psi2? Psi1 and psi2 is a state function. I mean at state 1, this is at state 2. This is called availability function. Okay. Now see, if we neglect the potential energy and kinetic energy, then this become this mv square divided by 2 and mgz2 becomes 0, and the final expression will become W max, sorry, W max, 1 second, this W max becomes B1 minus B2. So hence it is not unit mass, so we are taking it as capital B1 minus B2. So this become H1 minus T naught S1 minus H2 minus T naught S2. Clear? Now this become H1 minus H2 minus taking the like term separate, this become minus T naught S1 minus S2. This is W max. Okay, now this is the W max. So this W max, this is W max. So this is the reversible work or the maximum work in case of open system when we are neglecting kinetic energy and potential energy. So next we will see for a closed system. So we have seen the maximum work for open system. Now we will see the reversible work for closed system. So this is the final expression. So this is the maximum final expression for open system when the heat is exchanging between surrounding. So for a closed system, we all know that for a closed system, we all know that there is no mass entering or leaving inside a closed system. So this term dm1 and dm2, so this dm1 equal to dm2 and this is equal to 0. So this term and this term becomes 0. Okay, now the remaining term is this. So we'll write this as dw max is equal to minus of u minus T naught S plus mv square by 2 plus mg z. Okay, now we all know that what is this we all know that the total energy is equal to E is equal to u plus mv square by 2 plus mg z. Okay, now this is total energy, u plus internal energy, kinetic energy plus potential energy. Now this equation becomes dw max is equal to minus d E minus T naught S. Okay, now if we integrate it, then this will become W max is equal to, so we are neglecting kinetic energy and potential energy. Okay, so the final expression becomes, though we are neglecting kinetic energy and potential energy, the energy only remaining is internal energy. Okay, now this becomes U1 minus U2 minus T naught S1 minus S2. This will further written as U1 minus T naught S1 minus of U2 minus T naught S2. Okay, this is the maximum work or reversible work in case of what? Closed system. In case of closed system. Okay. Now see here how we can remember this. See, whenever there is a question related to open system, suppose there is a turbine, there is a compressor, there is a heat exchanger, then we are taking the formula for open system always, because there is a term called enthalpy. So always enthalpy is related to, enthalpy is energy and it's related to open system. So remember this, whenever there is an open system in the quotient, then apply this formula. Okay, when the kinetic energy and potential energy is neglected, then this formula for reversible work will be applied. Okay, now when there is a closed system, will apply this formula, because closed system, for a closed system, the only energies comes into the picture. The energy is the internal energy. Okay, so this is the way how you can remember the formula. So nothing to remember the whole derivation, just remember these two formula. W max is equal to H1 minus H2 minus T naught S1 minus S2, and this is the case for a closed system. Okay, now next we will see the useful work. We have seen here the maximum work. Now this maximum work is not totally delivered. Okay, now this not always take through our consideration. Okay, now we will see next the useful work.